Hello guys, like I said, I will be making another video of the Foley generator slash magnetic generator, and like I said I will be using a jar setting. You can see what I did here. So you can see, just like the previous video, I have already explained how this thing works. So now I just did a little modification on it using a jar instead, and we are going to see the voltage that we are getting here. Watch when I plug it. Look at the voltage. Watch. And see. Now, like I said, I will be testing it with the amplifier. I'll be testing it with the amplifier here, and we are going to play some music. And also, I'm also going to test it with the bulbs here. So let's test it with the bulbs first. Now we'll be testing it with the bulbs here. It's two incandescent powerful electric bulbs. Let's see. Bulb is very bright. You can see the 100 watts here. And see. And there's no load on it. I'm just going to play some music, like I said. Oh shit. The wire was disconnected again. So I'm going to drop the battery.